Oh, there he is again. Catch him again. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, you got the big one.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Let me see that frog.
Look at that one.
Hold your net down just a little bit. Alright, let's shine that light. See what Kyler's catching.
I catch a big one. That's
a humongous one. Oh.
He's crying. He's right there. I'm gonna catch him again. Okay? I'm gonna catch him again. I'm gonna catch him again.
Yeah. There you go.
Why is he hopping around?
Oh, there he goes.
I got him. See that?
You can hear it.